Qayla bint Makhrama radiallahu anha reported, I saw the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam seated with his arms enfolding his legs. And when I saw him in such a state of humble guise, I trembled with fear due to the awe he showed in that posture. Tirmidhi.
Right. Always the people who has the khushu' in their prayers and their ibadah, you'll find that when you sit with them, you got fear. And that's what we used to feel when we sit with the Sheikh Al-Albani. We are scared, rahmatullahi alayhi. This hadith is authentic from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It is in Sunan Abi Dawood and At-Tirmidhi. And our Sheikh Al-Albani makes it to be authentic, Hasan. So, Prophet sallallahu he is mutawadi', means humble in the way he sits. He does not sit in the way that those people sit to show that they're arrogant or show their position. But still, with their iman in their heart, which reflects on their faces, it makes them people whom, they impose upon you the respect. They impose upon the person. As I said, Sheikh Al-Albani, rahimahullah, when you sit with him, you feel the haybatul iman, hayba. You're worried. As one of the scholars, he said, which is Sheikh Muqbil, rahimahullah, his students in Medina, he said, after his death, he said, this hadith, we believe it is not authentic, but if Sheikh Al-Albani was alive, I can't dare to say that. He said, I can't dare to say that. And he says sometimes, we want to go and negotiate regarding something. We go inside and all the information had evaporated. It's just the fear makes you really shaken. You don't know what you're talking about. I remember as well as a scholar, he had said to me in person, he said, I have entered in so many scholars. The fear that I feel when I sit with the Sheikh Al-Albani, he sat with all the shuyukh, the major shuyukh at that time, that it is different. Sheikh Al-Albani, he imposes upon you that you respect him and to be scared and not to be say a word and everything's quiet. He imposes upon you that, rahimahullah. And that's what the Prophet ﷺ, she said, Qayla bint Makhrama, she said, I've seen the Prophet ﷺ in that khushu' sitting. I was scared. أُرْعِدْتُ مِنَ الْفَرَقِ. I'm being sort of shaken from the fear.